Okay, I'm gonna show you how a tornado is formed and how it's dangerous and powerful. A tornado is a violent rotating column of air extending from a thunderstorm to the ground. In storm states, tornadoes occur between March and May. Tornadoes start over land. Tornadoes begin when warm air from the Gulf of Mexico meets cool air from Canada, and a super thunderstorm forms. A tornado forms. Tornadoes are dangerous and can tear homes. Destroy homes. Bye. Now I'm going to show you someone standing out a tornado. What?
Right now we've got a landfall or tornado just to our east. It's about 5 miles east of Greensburg, getting ready to cross the road.
Wow, that was pretty terrifying what he did. Now we're going to Brian and see what he's up to at the neighborhood after a tornado.
As you can see, we are in ground zero of this community that has just been destroyed by that powerful tornado on Monday afternoon. Folks coming back to these neighborhoods for the first time, seeing their homes completely leveled. This was the living room of a brick home. These are all brick homes, and there's nothing left but the foundation and a pile of rubble. Over here, a sturdy fireplace chimney, still standing tall from this storm. And they always say that the bathroom is one of the safest.
I never knew a tornado can do that much damage. Look at that. Well, if you're ever in a tornado or a tornado's coming close to you, go to the bathroom or the basement. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day and learn these rules at school for tornadoes. Bye.